Whatever you do, never ignore these signs. 5 important signs that the universe is speaking to you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. There are dozens and dozens of signs that you should never ignore when the universe is speaking to you. But today I'm going to share with you five signs that I personally have had experience with. And I believe that when you see these signs happening in your life, that you should pay attention, sit up straight. Do not ignore these signs. High flyers, I believe that when we look at the signs and we interpret them and we apply them to our life, that is how we become the very best version of who we are, our highest potential, our highest self. Pay attention to the universe. The universe may be sending you an important message. The first sign is bliss. Bliss, happiness, joy. In other words, you're just feeling very, very good, very, very positive, very, very happy about whatever it is you're doing. And this is the sign that the universe is sending to you. It's amplifying your feelings. It's amplifying your energy through your energy field. And that amplified energy is making your feelings more intense. When you're feeling bliss, when you're feeling happiness, it's a sign that you are pointed in true north, that you are going in the right direction, that you are going in the destination of your dreams and your goals. Isn't that what it's about? And it's also a sign that you are raising in vibration and becoming the highest version of you. And that's what it's certainly about. You're moving in the right direction. So when you feel this intense, almost like a rush, this cool feeling like, I feel happy, I feel excited, pay attention what you're doing. Take notice. And that is the sign that you are moving in the right direction. Oh yeah. So the next sign is what I oftentimes call free-floating anxiety. You don't know what you're anxious about. You wake up in the morning, and while you're getting dressed or getting ready, or perhaps even before you get out of bed, you are beginning to feel anxious. You're feeling this nervousness, and the universe is talking to you. It's sending energy into your energy field again, and that energy is communicating with your body, and it's saying, look, you are doing something that you're not supposed to do. You are living in a way that you're not supposed to live. And it's telling you, this is the wrong direction for you. This isn't where you belong. This isn't what makes you happy. This isn't where you will find and uncover and unlock the highest version of who you are. And that's important. So if you have this morning anxiety, this nervousness, this kind of, what's going on? I don't know. I don't know what I'm nervous about, but I'm nervous about something. I feel something bad is going to happen. Do you ever get that? I feel something bad is going to happen. That's anxiety. So you need to pay attention to that, because the universe is speaking loudly to you if you're receiving that sign. So high flyers, I believe it's important to pay attention to the signs, to understand what the universe is saying to you. These are oftentimes universal signs, but sometimes they're very personal signs. All the time, they are signs that the universe is redirecting you in the direction that you really desire to go and live the life you really desire to live. So the next sign is repeating symbols, and it can be any number of things. I have a friend who sees ladders every single day, 30, 40 ladders a day. It's almost over the top. Guess what? That's a symbol to him that he is climbing closer and closer and closer to his goal. Perhaps you are seeing limousines. That's a sign that wealth is oftentimes flowing into your life. Perhaps you're seeing homeless people, and that's a sign that you are called to do more, to give more, to have a bigger footprint in this world, to make a difference in how others live. Sometimes, high flyers, when we stop thinking about ourselves and we start thinking about others, our lives drastically improve. When you look to solve other people's problems, that's the way you become rich. That's the way you become wealthy. Think about Amazon, for example. There was a problem. Books. There were limited bookstores. And they could get these books to you quicker, faster, with less effort. And then they expanded into other products, and now they're into everything. But they solved a basic problem. Half of the world lives in weather that they don't want to go out in. Like, here in Phoenix, it's 110 degrees in the summertime. Nobody wants to go out shopping, so we order things on Amazon. You got the idea. When you solve other people's problems, you become wealthy. That inner voice. Oh, this is a huge sign. And the inner voice usually happens when you stop BSing yourself and you get real with who you are. You get in bed, you're falling asleep, and you're thinking about your life. You're thinking about who you've hurt. You're thinking about the people you love. You're thinking about the direction you'd like to go. And when you hear an answer back, and it can come in your own voice, sometimes it's an external voice. Sometimes we hear it through songs, or we hear it through a movie, or see it through a movie, whatever. This is the universe communicating to you. And all of a sudden, you'll know it. This is the important thing, high flyers. You will absolutely know it. When you're watching a movie and you're sitting there watching it and you go, I've been thinking about that. Oh my God. Wow. That's the answer. That's the answer. I know. Or you hear a song and the lyrics keep repeating over and over and over in your mind. That's the universe speaking to you. And when you fall asleep at night and you are thinking about something and it becomes clear, you hear your own inner soul, your higher self speaking to you. And it's speaking in a way that's undeniable. That is a sign from the universe that you need to pay attention to. I mean, you really need to double down on listening to that sign. Well, accidents and pain. You've been to the doctor, you've done everything you can. Nobody knows why you have this pain. That's the universe telling you something. Maybe telling you to slow down, maybe telling you to take a different direction, maybe telling you to try something different with your body, with your life. But accidents can be the same thing. Oftentimes accidents are signs from the universe. And what the universe is saying is slow down and start paying attention where you're looking. You're moving your life in a direction, but you're not paying attention. And because you're not paying attention, you had an accident. It's a sign, oftentimes from the universe, that you need to slow down and focus on the direction of your dreams and your goals. And then, high flyers, I highly recommend that you ask the universe over 7 nights. Do this over 7 nights. Ask for a sign. Ask for a clear sign. Ask for a sign, and the sign will appear to you. It will come to you, and it will be undeniable. I promise. I've been there. I've done this. I've asked night after night, and always by the 7th night, I receive my sign. You will too. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. And thank you for subscribing to our channel. Click the bell icon because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life. Bye-bye now.